Good afternoon, class 5th. Welcome back to our video class. After so long, we are going to start our video class in class 5th. So, in the last class, we have completed up to page number 52, chapter number 14. Unit is Sports Roundup. Okay, we have completed all the sports roundup. Now, we are going to complete this book also. I think this is your third last unit. Okay, so students, in this session, today's video class, we are going to start grammar and language. Okay, grammar and language unit, chapter number 41, compound words, page number 53. Okay, all of you open your book, take out your pencil and start writing the answer. If you have already written the answer with seeing the answer key from the Gurukul app, it's okay. Just listen the answers carefully and check your answer whether it is correct or not. Okay, let's start, student. Solve the clues to get the compound words. You have to write the compound words. If we have to solve the clues. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग words दिए हुए हैं, sentence दिए हैं. By the given sentence, these are the clues. We have to find out the compound words. उससे जो word निकल रहा है, we have to find out this. So one by one, I am going to tell you. Listen carefully, all of you, and check your answer. Those who have not done, just do it in today's session itself. So first one, opposite of a day plus a female horse. Opposite क्या होता है day का? Night होता है. और female horse को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Mare बोलते हैं. Together they make nightmare. It is a compound word, nightmare. Okay. Now the second one, charm used by witches plus the second sentence is to be tied. To be tied का means होता है bound. A charm used by witches. Witches मतलब जो चुड़ैल होती हैं, they are called as a spell. So spell bound is the compound word which we get from the clues. Okay, spell bound. Spelling is SPELLBOUND. Spell bound. And nightmare का spelling होगा NIGHTMARE. Nightmare. Okay. Now the third one, pungent spice. ठीक है, प्लस वेयर कॉइन्स आर मेड. कॉइन्स कहाँ से बनते हैं? मेंट से. और पंजेंट स्पाइस जो पेपर होता है, जो बहुत तीखा होता है, सो टुगेदर दे मेक एज पेपरमिंट. सो यू कैन राइट द स्पेलिंग एज PEPPER, पेपर, MINT, पेपरमिंट. ओके. नाउ द फोर्थ वन, अनदर वर्ड ऑफ डैड मीन्स plus hard lump of dead skin. ठीक है, another word of dad means pop. In English, British, they said their dad as pop, and the hard lump of dead skin is said to be as corn. So they together make popcorn, and the spelling would be POPCORN, popcorn. Okay. Now the fifth one, opposite of before is after plus midday. Midday means नून होता है ना. सो इट मीन्स आफ्टर नून. इट बिकम्स आफ्टरनून. स्पेलिंग इज AFTERNOON, आफ्टर नून. नाउ द सिक्स्थ वन, अ लार्ज स्टार सीइंग ड्यूरिंग द डे इज सन. ठीक है, प्लस फ्रंट ऑफ TV विच इज कॉल्ड एज स्क्रीन. तो इट बिकम्स सनस्क्रीन. स्पेलिंग विल बी SUNSCREEN, sunscreen. Okay. Now the seventh one, opposite of white is black plus sent by post is mail. They together make black mail. क्या हुआ ये? Black mail. Spelling will be BLACKMAIL, blackmail. Now the eighth one, part of a body above the neck which is called as head. हमारे neck के ऊपर क्या रहता है? Head रहता है. Plus 1/4 is quarter. So the together make as headquarter. HEADQUATER, headquarter. Okay, headquarters. क्योंकि यहाँ fourth लिखा है, S है, तो यहाँ there should be S will be there. Now the ninth one, opposite of front is back plus 3 feet. It means yard. Okay, 3 feet is equals to 1 yard. So it will become, the word will become, compound word will become backyard. BACKYARD, backyard. Now the 10th one, respectable woman. It means lady plus avian culture, creature. Avian creature means bird. So the word becomes ladybird. Spelling will be L-A-D-Y, lady, B-I-R-D, bird. Ladybird. Okay. So this chapter is completed. Chapter number 41, compound words. Here grow with Drake is given. What is written here? Make your own compound word quiz. Use pictures instead of clues. So here one task is given. If we are in the school, we definitely do this task. So let it be, students. Now everyone page turn, open page number 54. Page number 54, chapter number 42, word ladder. Here is word ladder is given. So what you have to do, complete this word ladder by changing just one letter of each new word. From start with the word cold. From below, from ascending order we have to start, from down to upward. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक वर्ड चेंज करने से एक न्यू वर्ड बन जा रहा है. सो वी हैव टू change this by using this clue. We have to find out the correct word. Okay, so we have to start from the cold. Cold के बाद एक clue दिया हुआ है. Here is clue is given, a thin flexible string which is called as cord. So you have to write C-O-R-D. The missing word letter you have to write C-O-R-D, cord. Okay, now the next one, from downward to upward we have started na. Listen carefully everyone, from downward to upward we have started. So first one is cold, second one is cord, C-O-R-D, cord. Now a thick piece of paper used mostly for greetings, it is called as card, C-A-R-D, card, C-A-R-D, card. Now above the card, a room in hospital for patients. Patient इनके लिए क्या बनता है? Ward बनता है. The room is said to be as ward, W-A-R-D, ward, W-A-R-D, ward. Now a moderately hot temperature which is called as warm, W-A-R-M, warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Now a soft and tiny insect, a soft and tiny insect is called as worm, W-O-R-M, W-O-R-M. By just a letter we are changing one letter and different words were formed. ठीक है, word में देखो, D is changed, in worm M is changed, in worm O is changed, single letter is changing and new word is forming. In this way this word letter is completed. Now after worm, the shape of something which is said to be as form. Here W is changed with F which becomes form, F-O-R-M, form. Okay, now the last one, a building built to defend an area which is said to be as foot, F-O-O-T, foot. ठीक है, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Foot. So first one is foot. From upward to downward I am telling you the answer. First one is foot, second one is form, third one is worm, fourth one is worm, fifth one is ward, sixth one is card, seventh one is cord, and last one is cold, which is already given in the book. Now here also Novid Drake is given. Lewis Carroll, the author of Alice Adventures in Wonderland, is believed to be the creator of the game word ladder. Lewis Carroll, he is known as the creator of this word ladder. Okay students, if we are in the school, I definitely given you this word ladder as an our activity, but unfortunately this pandemic is going on and we are not coming to the school. Let it be, whenever we get the time next year we will definitely do this word ladder. Okay, so this chapter is also completed. Chapter number 42, word ladder, page number 54. Now students, all of you page turn, open page number 53, last chapter of this unit, grammar and language, page number 55, chapter number 43, antonyms. Okay, antonyms. So we are going to start this chapter number 43. Antonyms means opposite word. Okay, you have to tick the correct antonyms of the given word. One by one I am giving you the answer. Listen carefully. First one is abundant. Correct answer is scare. Okay, abundant का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो उसका scarcity को ही हम लोग बोलते हैं, कमी को scarcity बोला जाता है. So the correct answer will be B, scare. Now second is approve. So the correct answer will be disapprove. Okay, option number A, disapprove. Now the third one is captive. Correct answer will be B, free. Fourth one is exterior. Answer will be A, interior. Fifth one, harsh. Answer will be A, mild. Sixth one, lawful. Answer will be illegal. Seventh, false. Answer will be B, truth. Eighth, peak. Answer will be B, bottom. 9, mobile. Answer will be immovable. Mobile का means move कर सकता है, and so the opposite of movement is immovable, जो move नहीं कर सकता. 10th one is giggle, and the answer will be A, frown. 11th, brave. Answer will be coward. B, coward. Now 12th, establish. Answer will be demolish. Now 13th, sly. Answer will be honest. 14th, lengthy. Answer will be brief. लेंथी का मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा, ब्रीफ का मतलब शॉर्ट फॉर्म, समरी. नाउ 15th, फ्लेक्सिबल. आंसर विल बी रिजिड. ओके, सो हियर द आंसर इज गिवन. नाउ एवरीवन, आई एम अगेन गिविंग यू द आंसर, रिपीटिंग द आंसर्स. जस्ट चेक इट वंस अगेन. फर्स्ट, एबिडेंट. आंसर इज स्कैर. सेकेंड, अप्रूव. डिसअप्रूव. थर्ड, कैप्टिव. आंसर बी, फ्री. फोर्थ, एक्सटीरियर. इंटीरियर. फिफ्थ, हार्श. Mild. Sixth, lawful. Illegal. Seventh, false. B, truth. Answer is B, truth. Okay. Now 8th, pick. Answer will be bottom. 9th, mobile. Answer will be immovable. 10th, giggle. Answer will be frown. 11th, brave. Answer will be coward. 12th, establish. Answer will be demolish. 13th, sly. Answer will be honest. Sly का मतलब होता है झूठ बोलना, ओके, धोखाधड़ी. और honest का मतलब होता है ईमानदार. 14th, lengthy. Answer will be brief. And 15th, flexible. Answer will be rigid. Okay. So students, this chapter is also completed, and very clearly we completed this unit, grammar and language. 3 chapters will be there. Okay, 41, 42 and 43. We have completed this unit, grammar and language. Now in this chapter also, no grow with Drake is given. Make 15 sentences using the words and their antonym listed in this chapter. So you have to write this as a homework. This is your homework. What you have to do, you have to make 15 sentences using their antonyms. द वर्ड इज़ गिवन, उनके एंटोनिम्स जो दिए हुए हैं, जैसे एबरेंट का स्कैर है, तो ये वर्ड को यूज़ करके तुमको सारे 15 एंटोनिम्स वर्ड का क्या बनाना है, एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. यू हैव टू complete your work in your copy. This homework must be completed by every student. Okay, this homework must be completed by every student. Whenever your live class will be there on Friday, I am going to next Friday, not this Friday. I am going today's Friday only. I am going to ask to one and each students whether they have completed their work or not, because you all have 1 week to complete your work. By using these antonyms, you have to write the 15 sentence. Okay, this is your homework. So students, please complete your work on time. ठीक है? So the topic is completed, this chapter is completed. Okay students, see you all in the next class and complete your work. Thank you so much class. Again I am saying complete your work everyone. Okay, thank you so much.